here we might have a problem. The pressure here is about 60, 58 psi. Let us start the truck. This is a heavy trailer. The pressure on the airbags is exactly 57. That is heavy. So what are we going to do? We're going to take the scale and go down and measure how flat the tires are. That will give you the area of contact with the ground. You multiply the total area by the pressure, it will give you the load. On the drive, we are not connected yet. Look carefully right here. That is 10 inches contact with the ground. The tire, that is one thread right here, and another thread. It is 10 inches flat with the side. From here, it's 10 inches wide. So 10 times 10. So each tire is 10 times 10 times 8 tires. That's 800 square inches. Multiply that by 57 psi, pound per square inch. That is 8 times 7, 65, 56. That is 6. 8 times 5, 40. 40 and 5, 45. Ooh, that is a lot. So the tandem, the drive has 45,000 psi, pounds. That is illegal. That is illegal. That is 8 tires. This is the area of contact, 10 times 10. Because you have 8 tires here. That's 4, 4, and 4 and 4. That's illegal. So what we do, what we have to do is to get the trailer to take something. Use the trailer to move the tandem to move forward. Can it move forward? Yeah. let us see now. We don't need to hook anything. All we need is to drop the pressure. We don't need to connect now. The hoses don't need to be connected now. All I need is now is to drop the pressure. The pressure is 57. I need that to drop. I hooked to it, but I'm not connected to it. So I'm going to pull forward. And push backwards. Dropped now to 55. Yeah. $54. 54 is good. $53. That should be good. Let us connect. We are connected here. As you can see, the landing gear is high. So the landing gear was not a problem. The landing gear did not shoot anything. That's good enough. Let us slack the tandem. Yeah, the tandem moved. The tandem moved very good. It moved a lot. For secure, the tandem moved a lot, about 2 feet. And we are locked. Perfect. 53 psi. 53 psi. Let us do the math again. Now that will be 53 now. 53 times 800. 800 square inches and 53 psi. That is 442. That is legal. That is legal. That is illegal.